So you see now we have a consistent menu going here, where it's all in the same place. So that's pretty cool. Okay, now I'm going to show one more thing with the arrays, and it's how to take this a step further. Rather than defining each of these individually, we can define them all in one statement. If you want to define a two-dimensional array using the same notation, you can do this. Okay, so in the same way that, when you have an array, you define each item inside it. When you have a two-dimensional array, you define an array, and then you define each array inside the array. So we've got some inception going on right here. Well, we need to take this off. Okay, so we're now saying that product is an array. Inside the array, we have three things: 1, 2, and 3. Number 1 is another array, which has name, price, category, and description inside it. Number 2 is another array, also with name, price, category, and description. Number 3, same thing, has an array, name, price, category, description. These could be different if you had different items, because that's how PHP works. But this just allows us to say it in one statement, which is kind of nice. And it works the same way. So our page should be fine here. Yep, everything still works. Alright, awesome. So what did we need our users to do? So we can now display all products. We can allow the user to view the specific product. We also need to be able to add products to the cart and checkout. So how to add products to a cart. This is interesting. How would we do that? So assuming we have no idea how to add the products to a cart, right? To plan this out, how would we store the information? We could probably... Well, we know that each product has a unique ID, right? Like sneakers has an ID, the ID is 1. The red silk shirt, the ID is 2. And Constellation, the ID is 3. We don't call it an ID, it's sort of the ID. So we could store the unique ID because that's how we access it to view it. So in theory, we could do the same thing. We could just we could have an array called shopping cart array, and inside it we could say 1 and 3. We could say, yeah, we could put the IDs of all the products that they have, because that's how you do a literal